The little bunny was getting ready to build a cozy home for himself, so he pulled a blueprint out of his bag. It showed a simple one-room house. Just then, a mole popped up beside him, cheerfully saying hello and proudly sharing his own plan, a spacious two-bedroom with a living room attached. The bunny glanced at his own design compared to the mole's. It looked small and plain, and he couldn't help feeling a little insecure. A moment later, a mouse appeared and excitedly showed off a blueprint of huge three-bedroom mansion. Now the bunny felt even worse. Clutching his own blueprint, he did not want anyone to see it. Quietly, he packed up his things and decided to leave. He dug underground until he thought he was far enough away. Then he unfolded his blueprint and began building his house. But just as he started digging, he accidentally dropped straight into Hedgehog's home. To his surprise, the hedgehog was not upset at all. Instead, he kindly offered the bunny some freshly baked cookies. Flustered and embarrassed, the bunny panicked and ran off. He started digging again, only to fall right into Lizard's bathtub. Covering his eyes in embarrassment, he tried to climb out but somehow stumbled into the sauna and then bumped into the Lizard's bathroom. Blushing bright red, the bunny hurried away. Soon after, he landed in an ant restaurant where ants were enjoying a feast. They happily offered him a drink, but once again he slipped away awkwardly. This time the bunny dug extra carefully, finally avoiding everyone's home. Before long, he came across a large and mysterious house. Gathering his courage, he knocked on the door. To his surprise, a kind-looking badger answered. The bunny told him everything that had happened, and as the story poured out, he could not hold back his tears. Instead of scolding him, the badger gently picked up the bunny's blueprint and handed it back with a warm smile. Then the badger called out through the underground tunnels. Hearing his voice, animals from everywhere rushed over, bringing their tools with them. Startled by the crowd, the bunny instinctively stepped back, but the badger gently pushed him forward. At least the bunny found the courage to hold up his little blueprint and share it with everyone. With the help of his new friend, the bunny's cozy new home was finally completed. From that day on, he was no longer afraid of meeting others. He had found not only a home but also a group of warm, welcoming friends.